We need to solve this issue. We need to solve this issue. Use this when discussing a problem with your team. Let's find the root cause. Let's find the root cause. Use this when identifying the main reason for a problem. I have a possible solution. I have a possible solution. Use this when suggesting an idea to solve a problem. Let's discuss our options. Let's discuss our options. Use this when reviewing different solutions. We should make a data-driven decision. We should make a data-driven decision. Use this when recommending decisions based on data. The issue has been identified. The issue has been identified. Use this after finding the problem. We need more information first. We need more information first. Use this when additional data is required before deciding. Let's review the available data. Let's review the available data. Use this before making an important decision. I recommend this approach. I recommend this approach. Use this when proposing the best solution. This solution is more efficient. This solution is more efficient. Use this when comparing different options. We should prioritize this task. We should prioritize this task. Use this when deciding what to complete first. Let's evaluate the results. Let's evaluate the results. Use this after implementing a solution. We can improve this process. We can improve this process. Use this when suggesting process improvements. The results exceeded our expectations. The results exceeded our expectations. Use this when the outcome is better than expected. We need to reduce the risk. We need to reduce the risk. Use this when discussing ways to avoid potential problems. Let's make an informed decision. Let's make an informed decision. Use this when emphasizing careful decision-making. The data supports our recommendation. The data supports our recommendation. Use this when presenting evidence for your proposal. We should take immediate action. We should take immediate action. Use this when urgent action is required. Let's monitor the results closely. Let's monitor the results closely. Use this after implementing a new strategy. I'll prepare an action plan. I'll prepare an action plan. Use this when outlining the next steps. This will improve our performance. This will improve our performance. Use this when explaining the expected benefit of a solution. We achieved the desired outcome. We achieved the desired outcome. Use this after successfully solving a problem. Thank you for your suggestions. Thank you for your suggestions. Use this when appreciating ideas from your team. Let's move forward with this plan. Let's move forward with this plan. Use this when everyone agrees on the next step. Great teamwork led to this success. Great teamwork led to this success. Use this when recognizing the team's contribution after solving a challenge.